I had told you in morning when gold has achieved 1727, I told you precisely that it appears that that could be the high which it has seen, and it may take some time for it to go back to those levels, and 1710 is going to be an important support. See, precisely it's got the support at 1711 levels, trying to trade above these levels. At the same time, Dow Jones see 31,350, it failed to break, and 12,100 levels, it is still surviving the Nasdaq 100. Now what is going to happen today with the US cash session? Which position you should take? What are going to be the key levels where you can enter? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on to the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, and do press the bell icon so that you can remain updated with the latest analysis. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end Dow Jones. Do write down the levels, do listen to it carefully. Now these are the hourly charts for gold. You can find out it is giving you higher lows. There was a breakout. This was the odd one out, but it increased the Bollinger Bands. That is what it did. It increased the Bollinger Bands. And now the width of the Bollinger Bands, if you consider that, it is going to get the support at around 1707. Only short entry, it appears, is again below 1710. Rather, I will say 1708. If you see it trading below 1708, you can go short, but remember 1705, 1700, these are going to be crucial numbers. Then 1695. Only short entry is below 1708. Till the time it trades above 1708, do not go short. That is also very clear. Directional movement, bullish, trying to converge and again trying to diverge. Stochastic is oversold on the hourly charts. Possibly we may see a bounce back. MACD is divergent and it is on the sell side. Let's see if it converges, crosses over for a bullish move. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see the previous on the 2-hour charts, look at this candle and look at this candle. So previous candle failed to take it further down. At the same time, you can find out this is the bottom of this channel, which is a crucial support. So yes, it is failing to breach past this channel, and hence I recommend you to go short only if you see it trading below 1708. 1708 levels is going to be important. Below that, 17054 zone is going to be important, and then 1700. If it continues to trade below, we can see a good break. Below 1700, 1695 is the level. I have told you again, and I am telling you again, 1695 you should watch out for. Only and only if it breaks below 1695 this week, you can go short and you can remain short. So yes, for the day, you till the time it trades below 1695, or rather say I would say above 1695, you have to trade with the stop loss. So let's say if you are taken a short entry at 1710, you have to trail with the stop loss at cost. Now this is the 2-hour charts and it is trying to reverse. See two red candles. Possibly once it tries to give you a breakout, then only we can consider it bullish. So on the upside, yes, if you see it trading above this zone, that is 1715, you can again go long. But then remember, see, if you see this, the near term hourly charts, you will find 1718 is going to be resistance, 1720, and if it trades above 1720, my next target is 1725 and plus levels. I will be cautious till then. So yes, you can go long above 1715, expect it to rise a little. Directional movement, moderately bullish. Stochastic entering into oversold zone. MACD is crossing over for a sell entry. That is worrisome for me. MACD is crossing over for a sell entry. It is a little bit divergent. I'll be watchful. Only a single green candle, a sharp green candle, will make it further bullish and make it cross over again on the buy side. Else it is crossed over for a sell entry. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise, it is getting the support here from the 50 period moving average and 20 period volume weighted moving average, which is a very strong support, and now it is trying to trade above this zone. Yes, you can go short if you see it trading below 1708. Only above 1715 you can again stay long, but beyond 1715 expect 1718 as the target, 1720 and then 1725 are going to be the target. Till the time it trades below 1725, you have to trail your stop losses. Direction movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is bullish. It is willing to cross over. It is trying to converge. Let's see if it crosses over for a sell entry. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, see one thing, lower highs, higher lows. So 1718, 1712. rather I will say 1718, 1710 levels. It is trying to confine its movement. If you see it breaking beyond 1720, definitely that is the time you can take a long entry, and you can say it is a comfortable long entry, and then you can expect 1725, 30, 35 levels. So yes, you can go long at 1715, expect 1718, 1720 levels to provide a resistance. Then beyond that 1725, and beyond that it will fly high. Till the time it trades below 1725, trade with your stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, very clear. Directional movement, moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD willing to converge, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, see on the daily charts, if it closes the day around these levels, then possibly the next day we may see, if you see it trading below 1710, definitely for tomorrow you can go short if you see it trading below 1710 tomorrow. And the condition is it has to close this candle at around these levels. So be careful. It is a magnetic level. If it tries to rise, and only if it sustains above 1725, consider that as a bullish move. Then I will be cautious tomorrow. Possibly if it continues to trade about 25, if it closes somewhere here, it is going to hit 1740 also tomorrow. You can keep your positions accordingly. Directional movement so far is bearish throughout this day and throughout recent past. It is trying to converge. Stochastic has come out of the oversold zone. MACD is bearish, trying to converge from here. RSI is trading flat near to the bottom. So it appears possibly you can go short, you can go long at 1715 and go short below 1708. Till the time it trades in between this zone, don't trade above 1715. Till the time it 17, 18, 20 zone, it's going to be the first target. Beyond that 1725, and beyond that we may see it flying high. So take your positions accordingly. Possibly we may see a rise, but then you have to trade with caution. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, if you want to learn the same art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days live sessions, 90 minutes daily, and lifetime technical support is what you get. Do not miss this opportunity. Next batch starts on 12th of September. Be a part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram channel, my Telegram ID, and my email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do reach out to me for any of your trading training queries. Also become a patron and support my efforts. Also become a premier patron and get all the signals and updates. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts is giving you a breakout. This is a breakout candle, and possibility for it to fall back within this channel exists if it continues to trade above 12 to 30 levels. Only if it trades about 12 to 30, you can expect a further rise. Then 12 to 70, 12,300. I have told you several times, 12,300 and 12,400. These two levels you should watch out for on the upside. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge on the early charts. The stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, this is also a trend breaker. But see, this is the near term, and these are the two odd ones. And if you look at this, now see one green candle, two red candles here. And yes, if you see it trading about 12,200, again go long. So rather than waiting for 12 to 30, you can go long at 12 to 100 itself. Beyond 12 to 100, you can expect it to rise for 12 to 50 and 12,300. And this time it may give you a stronger breakout. 12,300 is a very strong resistance. And then 12,350, 12,400. Remember these levels, mark out these levels. On the downside, yes, you can go short at 12,130. Below that, you can expect 12,100, 12,080, 12,050. Very strong support. Below that, 12,000. See, very nearby support, nearby resistance levels. It indicates that possibility for it to get the support and bounce back exists. And these are very nearby support levels. And hence, it is going to be a stronger resistance for it to break below 12,000. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, first of all, see lower highs, lower lows, and hence possibility for it to reach 12 to 30 exists. So yes, if you are long at 12 to 100, you have to trade with a stop loss, or rather I will recommend you can go long at 12,190 itself, and then about 12,190 you can expect 12 to 20 as the target. And then if it breaks beyond this zone at 12 to 30, possibly it may try to fly high. So go long at 12,190, and see this is trying to create a channel here, and possibility of it to trade within this adjust. Beyond this zone at 12,250, it will fly high and we can see a very strong bullish movement. Also look at the 3-hour charts. It has got its support at 12,130, which is definitely a very strong support level. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is again looking upwards. MACD is bullish. It is divergent. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, see on the 4-hour charts, it has seen the lows and it may try to achieve the highs 12,230 levels. So in between 12,130, 12,230, you have to exercise caution. And if you want to take a safe trade, do not trade between 12,130 and 12,230. Very clear. Directional movement bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic is at top looking downwards, indicating bearishness. MACD is divergent and is bullish. Now look at the daily charts here on Nasdaq 100. See, flat bottom, second green candle. It can give you good swing also. Remember, it can give you good swing. And the candle here in doji, and the next candle could be a bullish candle. That is one probability which it is trying to create. So yes, 12,130 you can go short, but remember 12,080, 12,050 levels are going to be very good support. It can try to get the support here, try to bounce back. See, 12,170, this is, or rather I will say 12,150, this is the pivot for the day, and it can give you good swings till 12,300 to 12,050, 12,000 levels. Be watchful of this. It can give you very extreme swings in between 12,000 to 12,300 levels. Be careful. Directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is oversold. We may see a bounce back. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is looking upwards. Considering this, yes, if you see it trading about 12,190, go long. About 12,190, you can go long and you can expect 12,230 is going to be a good resistance. 12,250 is the next target. Beyond that, stay long, and 12,300, 12,400, 12,350 and 12,400 are going to be the target. On the downside, if you see it trading below 12,130, go short for 12,100, 12,070 levels, 12,050 and 12,000 levels are going to be the target. Remember, it can give you good swings. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US 30 on the hourly charts. If you look at it, is trying to trade in this channel. On the upside, just be watchful of 31,550. If you see it trading above 31,550, go long. Then 31,600 is the target, and beyond 31,600, 1020, we can see it flying high till towards 31,700. Remember, I have told you multiple times. I am telling you again, 31,700 you should watch out for. Then 31,840, and beyond that 32,000 is the target. Be careful of these levels, 31,700 and 840. So yes, today if you see it trading above 31,550, go long. And on the downside, below 31,500, it has the potential to get the support at 31,450 and 31,400 levels. If you see it dropping below 31,400, go short further and remain short for 31,350, which is going to be a stronger support. Now look closely on the hourly charts movement. See, Dow Jones trading within this channel, and this is an important channel. The support there on this channel at 31,450 is going to be important, and the upside 31,620. So possible swing in between these levels exists. You have to trade with caution in between these levels. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is near to top. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts. It has formed the tail here and it is giving you higher tails. Now it is trying to rise, and possibly once it trades beyond 31,550, possibility for it to hit 31,620 exists. On the downside, 31,450 levels are going to be a good support, and then 31,400 is going to be good support. Only if it drops below 31,400, one can expect more bearishness and one can expect a good drop till towards 31,350 and 300 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see, it has formed a tail. It is trying to see the high there. 31,620, 650 levels should be the good resistance. Yes, you can go long here at around 31,550 levels and then expect 31,600, 620 levels to provide it a resistance. On the downside, 31,450 is a good support and 31,400 is the next support. Below 31,450, you can go short for 31,400, and below 31,400, 31,350 is the ultimate support. If you see it dropping below 31,350, you can stay further short. See, whenever it tries to consolidate sideways in this, expect that it may give you a sharper move either which ways it takes. Directional movement bullish. stochastic looking upwards, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour charts, similar is the story. And see, let me show you something here. See this consolidation, then a sharp candle, this consolidation, then a sharp candle. It is trying to consolidate, and then see the highs of this candle are somewhere here at around 31,700 levels. I have told you, and I am telling you again, be watchful of 31,700. Direction movement is bullish, stochastic is divergent and bullish, RSI is trading flat. And on the daily charts too, see it is trying to trade bullish. Possibility for it to rise till towards 31,700, 31,800 exists, very strong resistance there. On the downside, the support there, see now look at the support levels. If you look at the support levels, the support at 31,350, 31,300 is going to be very important. If it breaks below 31,300, go short further. So yes, for the day you can go short at 31,450, expect 31,400 as a support, then 31,350, then 31,300, and below 31,300 stay short, and it is going to crash for 31,200 and 31,000 levels. On the upside, you can go long at 31,550, expect 31,600 as the first target, 31,620 rather as the first target. Beyond that, 31,650 and 700 levels will come into picture. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.